we are installing the new Nameless exhaust on the 2018 CROSSTREK. You excited?
Yes.
So this is Lauren's 2018 CROSSTREK. We actually just finished installing the Anderson Design and Fabrication economy lift. So we got a 1.5 inch lift in the front and then a 1 inch lift in the back. And then on top of the lift, we just put these new 235/75 R15 Wildpeak Falken tires on this thing. These new black Rhino wheels. It is looking so mean. So she's kind of going for like an overland-ish build on this. So eventually we may have some like bumpers and a roof tent, or who knows, honestly. We're not too sure yet. But first things first, you gotta have some noise. So she got this new Nameless exhaust. It's got a 5-inch resonator on there. Definitely wakes it up a little bit, makes it sound so good. And it definitely saves some weight too, because this sucker is huge. So we're gonna go ahead and get a cold start on the stock exhaust so you guys can take a listen to that. And then we'll slap this in there and then we'll show you the after. All right, so there you have it with the stock exhaust. Obviously nothing too crazy, just stock. Let's go ahead and get rid of this bad boy. It looks like all we have is just these 2 bolts to unbolt the axle back. It's a little bit rusty, so might be a little bit fun taking out. Gotta love rust.
Mm-hmm. Stone out a little bit.
Sweet. Alright, hard part's over. Now I just gotta get these off the hangers, and then we can pull it out. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Stock one is out. This sucker's huge. Alright. In goes the Nameless. Alright guys, so we got the Nameless exhaust in. She's looking super good, so we're about to start it up and check it for leaks. So Lauren's gonna go ahead and start her up now.
Yeah.
He's finally unleashed the Subi power. Alright, first cold start with the Nameless exhaust. That's awesome. That sounds so good.
You're heating it up. It's starting to like gurgle a little bit.
That's awesome. It's got a couple pops in it.
So much better.